Hi guys, this is my first video ever showing how I've painted one of my models, which is the Helsmiths Dominator Engine. Hope you enjoy.
Comes in, I'll paint it back out, layer on layer, till the shadows tap out. Name on the can, scrawled like a prayer. If pigment is power, then I'm armed in
again! What shall he do today?